How to get more views on YouTube? That's the question every small channel is asking right now. How to get more views on YouTube? How to grow? How to finally get noticed? You're posting videos, you're getting clicks, but nobody's staying. They click and they leave, and you're sitting there thinking, is it the algorithm? Is it my niche? Is it bad luck? No, you didn't know, but I'm about to show you the real reason. If you want to know how to get more views on YouTube, you need to understand this first. Views don't come from clicks. They come from retention. How's that work? YouTube doesn't care if someone clicks your video. It cares if they stay, because the longer people watch, the more YouTube pushes your content. So if people click your video and leave in the first 10 seconds, that video is done, dead, no mas. Doesn't matter how good your thumbnail is. Doesn't matter how good your title is. If they don't stay, you don't grow. And is this where most beginners mess up? Yes, it is. They think, I just need better thumbnails. I just need better titles. I just need more uploads. No, because you can get clicks and still fail. You didn't know? Clicks don't build channels. Retention does. Here's the truth, guys. Listen up. Most small creators don't have a system. They're guessing. They're doing what? Posting random videos, talking about random things, hoping something hits. That's not the way it works. No structure, no plan, no control. And because of that, viewer leaves. They get ghost every time. See ya, sayonara. Let me slow this down for you, because this right here, this is where everything changes. If you really want to understand how to get more views on YouTube, listen up. You have to understand the viewer, not the algorithm, the viewer. Because the algorithm only follows behavior, and behavior comes from people, real people like me and you, watching your video or leaving your video. And when they leave, that's the signal, that's the message, that's YouTube saying, this didn't hold attention. So let me show you exactly why people leave your videos. Number one, you don't hook them fast enough. You take too long to get to the point. You talk around the point. Instead of hitting the point, and the viewer doesn't wait, they move on. Number two, there's no direction. Your video doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. It feels random. It feels unstructured. And when people feel lost, they leave. See ya later. And number three, there's no payoff. You don't give them a reason to stay. You don't promise anything. You don't deliver anything. So the brain says, this isn't worth my time. And they leave. Now listen carefully. Listen up. Because this is where everything flips. If you understand how to get more views on YouTube and you apply a system, everything changes just like that. Wham, bam. Now you're not guessing anymore. Now you're in control. Now you're guiding the viewer from start to finish. Every second matters. 1, 2, 3. Every word matters. Every scene matters. And every simple little thing matters. Mainly the hook, value, result. That's it. Hook, value, result. Or if you want it even simpler, research, create, action. Let me break that down for you. The hook, that's your first 3 seconds. That's where you win or lose. You create curiosity, you create tension, you make the viewer need to know what happens next. Not want, need, then value. You give them something real, something useful, something they can actually take with them. Not fluff, not filler, not wasted time. And then result, you close the loop. You deliver what you promised. You give them that oh moment, that realization. That's what keeps people watching. That's what builds trust. And that's what builds channels. And when you start doing this, something powerful happens. Ta-da! Your watch time goes up. Your retention goes up. Your videos stop dying early. And YouTube starts pushing your content. Not because you got lucky, but because your content works. Now you're building something. Now one video leads to another, and another, and another. That's momentum. That's how small channels grow. Not from one viral video, but from consistency with a system. Listen, I'm going to tell you this. You don't need to go viral. You don't need millions of views. You don't need to chase trends. You don't need to understand how to get more views on YouTube by keeping people watching. Because one good video leads to another good video. And that builds something real, something sustainable, something that grows over time. That's the slow game, baby. That's the game most people quit before they win. But not you. Now you see it. Now you understand it. Now you can use it. That's how you get more views on YouTube. Straight up. Not from luck, not from guessing, but from structure, from intention, from understanding how people watch and building your videos around that. That's the difference between struggling and growing. So the next time you post a video, don't ask, how do I get more views on YouTube? Ask this, how do I make them stay? You didn't know, but now you do. I'm Mario, the speaker. Truth for trust, honesty for loyalty. You didn't know? The slow game that pays Well, hey, I got a book on Amazon if you want to check it out. Get it free on KDP. Love you guys. Take care.